Let me stop. Okay, guys, I'm stuck on the track. Oh, it's cool, never whack. And I'm back at it again. I'm about to pick up my pen because I'm a rapper. I'm so dapper. I hit them with the clapper. Woo! Okay, that's not what you're here for. But yes. So I'm here again, and I'm about to review the Kyei-Asare palette. Review the Kyei-Asare palette. I said review the Kyei-Asare. Okay, let me relax. So, let us begin, shall we? So, I used the Fenty Beauty primer, the original one that came out. Is the original name on it? It's like the soft matte one. That's what I used. Because that's the only primer I have right now. And I think it's actually good at like blurring and like taking the shine off, but you're not looking like a piece of paper. Like you don't look OC dry. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm looking in my mirror. If you ever see me looking this way, it's because I'm looking in my mirror. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be all up in the camera trying to blend things out too. I'm about to put this light on because it's kind of dark. I'm sad. I should have been here earlier, but I was doing a bunch of stuff with my family. But I said, listen, I'm doing it today. I'm doing it today, period. So here we are. Anyway, so do you see like how it kind of removed the shine? If you don't, I'm so sorry. I can see it in the mirror though. But yeah, and then I like to put a little powder on. Shout out to Aina for teaching me this trick. I like to put a little powder on underneath. It helps with coverage, but most importantly, it helps with the oiliness. Like when it's oily and what's it called? When you have like oily prone skin or oily combo, it helps like prevent it from like really disrupting the vibes that you're trying to show with your makeup too early. So yeah, so this is the Fenty Beauty powder. This is in nutmeg. This is nutmeg. So yeah, and then like I just dip it and then so you know I just want to get the excess off, and then I just put it. I put it a little bit like where I want coverage. So like here, I want coverage. But I'm not like gonna like, I just put it where I want coverage a little bit. And then the place that I really soak it in is the T-zone because that's where I get oily. That's where I get pretty oily. In regards to this powder, I've had it for a little while. And I think it's really good if you want a matte finish. So if you want a matte finish and you don't want to be like looking like you're dewy and stuff, I think it's good for that. Now, I say matte. So like don't be out here trying to be on your dewy like and then get this powder and think that that's what's going to happen, cuz it's not going to happen with this powder. It's not. Which is why I'm like about this powder sometimes. I like to use it underneath because that's what I needed to do underneath. I need to mattify. But on top, I don't like to use this powder heavily, at least. I wouldn't bake with this powder either because I'm not trying to be OC matte. I like a slightly unzooing finish. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know I'm spraying, okay? Let me put this light on real quick because it's a little dark in here. You want to know how that didn't do anything? Because it didn't do anything. Did you see a difference? Because I did it. What a life. Anyways, so I know y'all know that I'm excited. People who know me really well know that I'm really excited for this. And they knew I was going to buy this, even though, like, do I have much business buying this? Maybe not. But here it is. I bought it. It's bought. I've been got. Take a shot for me. Oh. I'm using Born This Way Tiramisu shade, and that was also a part of the Kyei-Asare extended collab. And I wanted to try Born This Way actually because I heard multiple people say like OC great things about them. So I really wanted to try them. But I think that this is like a great dewy. Like it's matte-ish, dewy-ish. Like it's just in the middle, which is great, I feel like. Especially for the summer. I'm wearing makeup during the summer. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Y'all doing the eyelashes? Do what pleases you, baby. But what pleases me, I'm putting my makeup on no matter the season, okay? I really love Kyei-Asare because when I first started like getting into makeup, She was the first person that I watched. People just told me about her. Like, many people told me, like, oh, watch Jackie, watch Jackie, Jackie. And I was like, okay. So then I started watching her channel, and I was like, this girl is effing hilarious. So I was just watching her channel. I'm like, she's talented. She's black. She cares about black issues. She's honest. She's honest. Okay, guys. The moment that we waited for. The moment that we are here for today. I'm telling you, it is a hard life when Jackie gives you so many different options of what to use that you are really just sitting here like, I don't even know what to do first. But I think I know what I'm gonna do first, guys. I think I'm gonna go for like a juicy look. You'll see what I'm saying, hopefully, unless you think I'm just weird for thinking that this looks juicy. But there's a look that Jackie Aina did. She has done many different looks with this palette, as she showed us on her Instagram and stuff. There was one picture that she had that she was showing us that she used her palette on, and I really like it, and I'm just gonna try, guys. I'm gonna try. I'm not a makeup guru. You know, I gotta let y'all know before y'all cook me, baby. I'm not a makeup guru. I just love makeup. Makeup makes me happy. It's fun. It's calming. It's soothing. Why not? You know what I'm saying? So here's what we're doing. I'm tapping into edges, okay? With the flat brush. I think flat brushes are great for applying product in a specific place. If you want to pack color on, you want to pack the pigment on, that's great. So that's what I'm going in with. I want y'all to see. So, okay, yeah. So I'm gonna go in, boom, baby. Baby, head us down, baby. Yeah, baby. That color is pretty. Ooh, that color is pretty. That color is pretty. That's crazy. That's crazy about you, Jackie. It's really crazy about you how pretty this color is. So you see I'm packing it on right here, right? Now, okay guys, so I definitely just fixed this lighting. Oh yeah, I did what I needed to do. Okay, let's bring the brightness down a little bit. Okay. It's very bright now. Okay, come on. Oh, I'm impressed. Okay, guys, it's really bright. I fixed the lighting. It's really bright. I'm gonna try to come in whenever I can so that you guys can really see. So, like I said, I'm packing edges on. I'm packing edges on right here with a flat brush. I had put pinker on the brush first, and then I put edges, so I think it looks a little different than what edges is supposed to look, but I like this color, so it's okay. So edges is like a burnty orange, but I feel like it's coming. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's because of the pinker. But now I'm gonna use a fluffier brush to move it into the crease, because I want the transition color to be like everywhere. I want it to be everywhere. Okay. So do you see? Est-ce que tu vois? Do you see? Oh, okay. So that's how we're doing it. I'm gonna put ginger a little bit on the outskirts to kind of help it just blend in better with my skin tone, like, you know, the outskirts, so that like it just looks airbrushed on a little bit. That's nice. That's nice. Ginger's a really nice color. Jackie said, I know what I'm doing. She said, hold my purse. I got this, guys. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so I did the edges on both sides blown out. Now we're going to apply a shimmer on, and we're applying Wiggly's. Wiggly's, baby. Wiggly's is such a pretty color. Do you see that right there? It's right here. It's so pretty. I've never seen a color like this before. I've always wanted like a red sparkle that was like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is this real life? Is this real life? Yes or no? Is this really on my eyes right now? It's real life. So I'm so sorry, guys. This lighting is good, but it's like, this is like perfect. I'm trying to take a picture lighting, not like perfect. I'm trying to show y'all how I'm doing my makeup so you can see. Okay, right there. So you see, I'm just applying wigglies on my lid with a really flat brush. This is really flat. A really flat brush is great for shimmers, in my opinion. You want to apply them on your lid, baby. I kind of want to see how this will apply wet. Oh, so pretty. This is so pretty. Let me bring y'all like this. You see? Yeah. So I'm gonna hold this right here just so you guys can see. So that's edges. And a little bit of pinker is probably on it because I had the brush dipped in pinker before, as I said. I was just putting wigglies on. Okay, so I have applied wigglies on the lid. As you can see, I applied it all the way to like right here, so around this area, because I'm going to now use another color to deepen that. I want to deepen the outer corner. Yes, I want to deepen the outer corner a little bit. So I'm gonna use credit. I'm gonna get credit when I grow up. I'm gonna use credit right here. I'm gonna tappity tap tap, tappity tap, tappity tap tap, tappity tap, tappity tap tap tap, tappity tap, tappity tap tap tap, tappity tap, tap tap it, tappity tap, tappity tap it up, tappity tap. I'm gonna just, I don't want it to be too dark. I want it to be deepened, but I don't want it to be too dark because I wanna feel like I'm about to drink fruit punch with this look. I want this look to look like, oh, we're drinking fruit punch today. So I'm gonna put it right in the other corner. I'm gonna show you guys how I do on this eye, and then I'm gonna do the other eye, and then I'm gonna come back like I've been doing. So, oh baby, baby, head up us down on the AP. I deepened it, as you can see, hopefully. And I'm gonna go back with edges to kind of marry all these colors together. I'm gonna go back with edges right on top of where I put the brown, right? Just to make it seamlessly go into everything. I'm gonna put edges a little bit over here too. Edges is a really nice color. Edges is a really nice color. Wow, this entire palette is just, geez Louise, mac and cheese, baby. I want to supreme this particular area. I want it right in here, right between wigglies and where edges was. I want it right there. Can you see that? Do you see the pink, the slight pink coming in? Because that's what I want. It's hard to talk and do makeup. This YouTube life is not an easy one, baby. I might have to look for a new career. But, okay, I'm going to take edges and put that on my bottom lash. I'm blowing it out. I'm blowing it out. This is pretty. This is really pretty. Jackie. Jackie. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of credit towards this area right here, just to add a little more depth. Okay. 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 I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but. And then I'm gonna just go into edges and credit so I can marry them in between. So I'm between, I don't know why I keep saying married. It really might be just because I saw Jackie, Aina, and Dennis with their engagement. And when that vlog comes out, because I need to see that vlog, I need to see how I want to see how this happened. I don't think Dennis is going to play with us like that. Do you think he will? I don't think he will. He was teasing us like, yo, I want to see. Yeah, I want to see. If you mean, bruh. I'm going to put Wiggly's back on. I don't know why. I felt like it kind of went away for a second. Like, baby, come back. Baby, come back. Every day. But I need it to come back. So it's back. Yes, Wiggly's. Oh my gosh. This is unreal. People are pulling up right in front of where I live. This is so awkward. My window's wide open. I'm just doing my makeup. Okay. Are we rocking? Are we rocking? Baby. People did not even ask me to use this color. I had to do what I had to do for myself. I had to do this look first. I will do multiple looks with this palette. Don't even trip. I think I'm gonna go in the inner corner with Zam. Okay, we're gonna go in with Zam right now. Zam is what we're going in with, okay? Okay, that's okay. Okay, I'm calling the police. I'm calling the police. I don't like too much on the inner corner because I don't want it to take away from what we're doing. Okay, guys, so I think I'm finished with what I'm doing with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna bring you guys closer and try to fix this lighting because I don't know if you guys can see. At last, we're gonna move to highlight. So I'm gonna take the Becca Chocolate Geoid? The chocolate geoid highlight. I don't know what to tell you. This highlight is crazy. This highlight. Oh, I don't know if you saw that, but that don't. And then I like to put it right. You see where it's shining right here on my forehead? You see where it shines like that? I like to put it right there. Right there. Right there. So that it's just like an ish spark. Ish spark. Do you see how this... I'm using this blush palette. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush palette. This is the Berry Adore blush trio. I need to pick a lip color. I think I know now. The star of the show is Jackie Aina and the palette. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take Chestnut from MAC, and yes, it's this short because I don't waste product. Part of me wants a little bit of orange in here, so I'm gonna take the NARS Slow Ride. I was taking the scraps that I have left of this, and what's the move? Where are we going tonight? I need somewhere to go. I'm not going anywhere, but I need somewhere to go. Okay, I'm about to set my whole face with the all-nighter powder from Urban Decay waterproof setting powder. And this is an e.l.f. brush. It's the e.l.f. Flawless face brush. I like using it to set my whole face, so that's what we're doing. What's the picture? I'm bossy. My Urban Decay setting spray on all-nighter, of course, in with my beauty blender. And then I'm gonna put my mascara on. I'm gonna put on Damn Girl by Too Faced.